can't believe I had to start working at this damn store. I don't even like this damn store. I know these people are gonna use their coupons for everything. They want 30% off, 40% off. Like, oh my god, they want to save money. Hello, ma'am. My name is Bakugou. As you can see, I will be your helper and your cash register. Do you have anything that you need help with? You need to find water bottles. The water bottles are over there. Yes. Okay. Bye. Oh, hello, ma'am. Oh, you got everything under control? Okay. Here, let me scan it. Okay, your total's gonna be... Hold on one second. Okay, your total's gonna be... Sorry, you got a little something on your eye. Your total's gonna be, I think, $10. Oh, you got a coupon. Okay. It's gonna be $9 out of 10. Okay, can you hold on? Okay, here's your change. Here you go, and you have a great day. Bye. Hello, sir. And you find anything good? Okay, just the water bottles? 2 of them? Alright, your total is gonna be $20. Plus the coupon? Hold on. Plus the coupon, it's gonna be 15 bucks. Out of 20? Okay, hold on. Okay, here's your change. There you go. You have a great day, sir. Bye-bye. Hello, ma'am. You find anything good? Okay, let me scan this. Makeup, lipstick, water bottles. Okay, your total, hold on. Your total right now is $25. You got a coupon? You have it on your purse? Okay, I can wait. Oh, here it is. Okay. Your total is $20 out of 10, out of 20. Here's your change. You have a great day. What is this, ma'am? Your phone number. You think I'm cute? Ma'am, can you leave, please? This is so embarrassing.